Welcome back. The biometric attendance issue in Margao municipality is still unresolved. On Friday, more than 40 employees abstained from biometric punching. 14 employees marked their attendance using the new system. Chief Officer Dipali Naik has warned of strict penalty to the employees violating the system. Rebel employees feel the new system is not needed at all.
Many employees are opposing the newly installed biometric attendance system in Margao municipality. They feel that it is not needed.
काल एक सर्क्युलर आमकां तिणें धाडून दिला पूण तातूंत सर्क्युलरांक बायोमेट्रीक केन्नाच्यान स्टार्ट करपाचें अशें कांयच ना पूण आयज आमी जेन्ना स्टाफ सगळे म्युनिसिपालिटीक आयले तेन्ना आमी पळयल्यार मस्टर रोल नाशिल्ले सो आमचो स्टाफ सगळो कामाक लागलो सो आमी एक गांधीगिरीची नितीन आमी तें काम केलें आनी आमी स्वताची एक शीट तयार केल्या एटेंडन्स शीट आनी ते आज आमी एंट्री केल्या की आमी आज अमके अमके मनीस आयल्या सॅलरी बिलरी हाडून दवरल्यार मागीर आमी रस्त्यार देंवतले सगळे टोटल.
Municipality administration is firm on the enforcement. Chief officer said employees bypassing the system would be marked absent and their salary will be accordingly deducted.
I don't find any constructive reason behind this. If they are not putting up the finger scan biometric attendance, I will treat their presence, I will treat them as absent, because only if those who have given a biometric attendance will be paid the salary.
Meanwhile, chairperson of Margao, Arthur De Silva, has been admitted to a hospital in Margao city. He was in the municipal office when he received severe chest pain at around 12 noon. He was rushed to the hospital. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
In a dramatic scene, a mentally challenged person climbed atop of a coconut tree to evade the brunt of villagers. He was hiding on the tree for almost 2 hours. The situation turned critical as he threatened to jump off the tree if the police tried to arrest him. But after much tantrums, he was tactfully brought down safely. Here is the story.
On Wednesday evening, a mentally challenged person climbed a coconut tree to evade brunt by the locals. The locals said he climbed the tree to save himself as he had broken the window glass of a vehicle. He stayed on the tree almost for 2 hours. The locals called the fire brigade personnel and the Ponda police to rescue him. However, he denied. He threatened to jump from the tree if the police tried to arrest him. After much solace, the boy came down safely. Currently, he is in custody of Ponda police. Police sources informed that he would be shifted to IPHB in Bamboli for treatment. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Now news from sports. The focus of preparations for November's Lusofonia Games has mainly been on readying the infrastructure. However, there are crucial administrative challenges to be dealt with. The arrival of foreign contingents hinges on visa formalities, while the accommodation for the athletes has to be confirmed before the hotels get booked for the next tourist season. Lusofonia Games CEO Keshav Chandra gave the details about the administrative work been done.
The conduct of the games have divided into 16 functional areas. The accommodation thing, let me tell you, let me throw some light over it. As you all know, there are 4 complexes in Goa, but Pedem being one, Bambolim and University being second, and this will include also beach volleyball facility, and the Fatorda Stadium, which will be hosting all football matches there. What we have done is that we have decided to put up the athletes as per the discipline. This will ensure that the transportation time and the expenditure incurred upon the accommodation is reduced. This will also cause convenience in many other manners. Why there has been apprehension that hotel have not been finalized? We have approached each and every hotel which comes up to the standard for putting up the athletes. We are in negotiation with the hotels, but we cannot freeze it and give advance unless until we get the numbers from all the NOCs in the respective discipline. Otherwise, you will deposit money and the money would be gone. Similarly, the security, the members have gone to see the hospitals. 3 venues will have the adjacent hospital which will provide all the facilities. The honorable members have gone and seen the Goa Medical College themselves. They have checked the ambulances, the facilities which are there in the ambulances. Chief Minister already had a meeting with Honorable External Affairs Minister on all these visa issues of Lusofonia games. Now, in that meeting, it was two things which were discussed, that there are certain countries which does not have the embassies and consulates, and also the visa fee. And it was in that Apex committee meeting itself, it was decided that some working arrangement would be made.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.